Today we're working on Excel Expert Lesson 1, the 5th lesson, applying custom conditional formatting using a formula. So this is a document you should have open, the New York Temperatures Formatting Formulas. You see that at the top. We're going to enter the following values into the worksheet. So see cell B19, we're going to type FEB, and C19, we're going to type 2006. Excel automatically formatted C19 using the same settings as the cells above containing numbers. Clear this formatting so it shows a year value without the decimal digits. So click C19 again. And then on the Home tab, in the Editing group, which is over here, we're going to click Clear and then Clear Formats. It took that formatting out. Step 3 says select A1 to M17. A1 to M17. On the Home tab in the Styles group, click Conditional Formatting and then New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule dialog box, click Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. So it's this one right here on the bottom. In the format values, where this formula is a true field, right here, we're going to type equals A1 equals $B $19. Click the Format button. In this dialog box on the Fill tab, click the Fill tab. Click the green standard color, bottom row, 5th from the right. So there's your green standard color. And then click OK. And then click OK. In the worksheet, only cell C1 is highlighted in green because it's the only cell in which the formula entered in step 6 evaluates to the value of true. For this cell, formula is adjusted to C1 equals blah blah blah. The conditional formatting can be modified so the entire column is highlighted in green. So mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Click the conditional formatting in the ribbon and then click Manage Rules. With the sole rule that's already highlighted, so that one right here, we're going to click Edit Rule. In the format values for the formula is true field, we're going to change the formula to equals A. We're going to click between the A and the 1, put a $sign in there, and everything else stays the same. Click OK. Click OK. The entire column is now highlighted. Every cell, not just C1, will now have a formula in the conditional formatting adjusted. So everything should be green right there. Ensure that the range A1 to M17 is still selected. Click Conditional Formatting and then New Rule. In the New Formatting dialog box, click Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. Same one we used before. In the format values where this formula is true field, I'm going to copy it this time. Click the Format button and click Orange Standard Color, this one. Then click OK. Click OK. Click any blank cell outside of this to view the results of the conditional formatting. The screen should now look similar to this. You can see that mine does. Hopefully yours does. If you didn't, go back and fix it. So mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Click cell B19 and enter SEP. Go to C19 and enter 2018. With these changes, every cell in column J is green, except J15. Every cell in row 15 is orange, including cell J15. So you see how it moved it based on these numbers we typed in. Click Conditional Formatting. Click Manage Rules. In the Show Formatting Rules, click the arrow and select this worksheet. With the topmost rule already selected, click the Move Down button. So make sure this is highlighted. This is your Move Down button. And then click OK. By switching the sequence of the formatting rules, the highlight green now takes precedence. So what we're doing, and I should have explained this, when we did the formula that had the dollar signs in it, that's absolute reference to a cell or column, and we learned that in the regular Excel. Hopefully you remember that. So that's why things changed when we changed the value in that cell. So submit this, submit results, 4 green checks. So this completes applying custom conditional formatting using a formula.